I want to give you guys an update on my new AI tool for authors called Book Blaster. They have done some major updates, and I have to update you guys. Hey guys, I'm Sharlrita Deloatch, publishing strategist, and I love to help women like you to profit in publishing. You will find all the things about profiting in publishing right here on this YouTube channel. If you love that type of content, just hit the like button and also subscribe to my YouTube channel. There's a little bell down there too. So if you want to stay up to date every time that I upload a new video, you will be the first to know. So I'm excited to give you guys an update on this tool called Book Blaster. If you have not heard about them, it is an automated book marketing tool for authors powered by AI. You can create landing pages, you can create email marketing tools, you can create social media um, templates just for your book and your launch. So I'm going through here on the page to give you just a sneak peek of what you can expect behind the scenes and what's to come. So landing page generator. So for your books, nothing speaks like high volume of a book than having a nice landing page. Mock-up generator, you want some mock-ups for your book, a target audience finder, book launch plan generator. So if you're like, I don't know what to post, I don't know how to plan my book launch, Book Blaster has it all set up for you. A magic script generator as well. So powered by AI, you can generate scripts for emails, for ads, landing page copy, mock-ups, you name it. Hashtag generator for authors as well as publishers as well. Just FYI, if you are a book publisher and you help your clients to launch their books or publish their books, write their books, adding on Book Blaster as a service to your publishing company is a game changer. All right. Let me know if you want some strategy behind that. Let me know inside of the comments. Okay. Coming soon is a bookstore finder, ad campaign generator, and crowdfunding. So you can launch your own book crowdfunding campaign. So that is coming up soon. Okay. So super easy to use. You can look at the new plans here. When I first discovered Book Blaster, it has been close to a year now that I have been using Book Blaster. They only had two plans where you get the lifetime or you can get the yearly. So I am currently, I think I'm on the lifetime plan, I believe, or the yearly. I'm on one of those, but I hurry up and took advantage because it was a very nice price. Now there is some other options now. Okay. There's some other options. There's still the annual option, but you also have a monthly option. So if you want the basic plan, $37 a month, pro, $57 a month, premium, $97 a month. And as you can see, the different features that you have when you go from monthly. Now, of course, it's a little bit cheaper if you go basic. So it's $33 a month where you have to pay for the full year. Okay. $48 a month, you pay for the full year for pro, and premium $82 a month you pay for the full year, which is not bad at all. Okay. There's some FAQs down here. And there is a 200% satisfaction guarantee that when you sell, you're guaranteed to sell more books, basically. Okay. You are guaranteed to sell more books long as you put in the work to make it happen. Okay. So I'm going to log into my account here. So as you can see, I'm already here logged in. They made some great changes to the website as well. I don't know about you guys. I know when I'm on my phone, I love the black background. And so you get that option here for Book Blaster as well, whether you want the black background or you want the white background. But based on this website, I really like the white background better. So that's what I will be using. Once it pulls up here, I'm excited about showing this and also excited about using this tool for my own books to make it super faster when it comes to marketing. Okay. Now, also, I wanted to let you guys know as well is that you can, if you're in a spot where you want to get into publishing, you're not sure where to begin in publishing, I have some free publishing strategy sessions that you can book. I put it in the description down below, called chat with Sharlrita.com. So you can definitely, get on my books and let's talk about where you should go in publishing. So here we are with this is what the back end looks like. Actually, I'm an early adopter annual. Okay. So I pay annual. So this is what I was saying about the dark mode. I like it. It's okay, but I like the white mode better. Okay, so you can change it back and forth to dark mode to black mode. Now you have your books here. So these are just some examples. This is one of my older books, but you can upload your books here. So that gives you a list of all of your books that you have there. Launch plan. If you want to have a launch plan, I'm going to play around with some of these here. Some scripts. If you want to have your scripts, you got mock-ups there, and you also have trailers there, landing pages here as well, and then also press kits. Okay, so I want to play around with a few of these here just so you can see. So I have my books here. Let's play along with the mock-ups. I think that's the easiest one to do. I did some before, but what you would do is you will select that you want new mock-ups. The mock-ups take about 2 minutes to come to your email. Once you get them, you'll go right here to where it says mock-ups. They also put them in your email as well. That may be a little bit more easier. So they will put the mock-ups right here in your email, as you can see right here as we play along with with this tool. So you get to click to open them, and then you get to download them to your computer, or I save it to my computer right there. Okay, so you get those nice mock-ups. So every time that you make an order of something, it comes to your email and it brings you right back here. So like, for example, for a launch plan, if you did a launch plan, it will be right there. If you did some scripts, it will be right there. Mock-ups the same, it will be right there. Your trailer will be right there as well. So when you get these things done, your landing page will be right there. I think I did this landing page some time ago. But when you here's the landing page here. So this is what the landing page will look like right here. There you go. So all you have to do is, you have to fill out the information, but it will create the landing page for you. Isn't that cool? Okay. So if you haven't already, check out Book Blaster. Book Blaster is an amazing tool for authors. I have the link below in my description. Also, if you use my code Sharlrita72, you get a certain percentage off with the plans whichever plan you decide to select. And I love this tool, and share this with other authors as well to make book launching super, super easy.